Good morning, young grasshoppers. I've looked better in a big way, but today is a doing day. Today is painting day. Painting day is upon us. Last night I very eagerly, at about like 12 o'clock at night, washed the walls because we had company last night, so I couldn't do it earlier, and then they left, and then I came back and I thought, I've got to wash my walls, otherwise I'm going to have soggy walls while I'm painting, and that is not how you want to start the process. Late night washing sesh, and hello Tom with your open door. Can I shut it? Can I shut your door? I'm vlogging. It's actually crazy. I've really enjoyed the washing process. It like washed off all the filler except where it needs to be, which is very fun indeed. It's weird, but I like it. These walls are quite severe walls. I think realistically, if I had $1 million, some of them could do with like replastering. Like, it is that kind of, they're quite cracked, they're very, you know, a lot of holes and quite a few cracks, and they are not like your smooth walls. I think you can kind of see, and I've sanded, and like that is not going to change. It's fine because I'm just really eager to paint them, so I am just going to put at least one coat of paint on. I think like having it all one colour, because they're not even all one colour at the moment, there's like previous colours showing and stuff, so get it all one colour and then see what is looking a bit grim, and then we can always sort that out. But like, look, got like quite a serious crackage here, but I can't do anything. I have tried, but yeah, I just want to paint something. I just really want to paint something, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna get my paint. My paint is in here. We got the Leyland Brilliant White Matte Emulsion, and we got 2 for 20 quid from B&Q. Highly recommend, highly recommend. Well, I haven't used it, but that is a good ass price, I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna pour it into a tray and get going. I think I've just changed something on my camera for the better, potentially. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. With the help of my magical assistant Tom, we've managed to pull this into this. I'm equipped with a roller and I'm equipped with a paintbrush. It's all very exciting, and we're gonna make a start. Buzzing. Laddingtons. My camera battery died, and then my parents came round for lunch all in one moment, so it actually worked out quite well because now I have a fully charged battery, I have a wall ready to be painted, and I have a freshly fed Jolie. So this is the perfect concoction to have a really solid painting time lapse, and I'm just gonna say, let's go. Whoa, oh my god. Whew. Look at my hands. I love that. How like satisfying is that? Well, it's not really satisfying, it's just weird, but like fun at the same time. It's roller spray, if you're not familiar. Do you notice anything different We've got a first layer. I'm gonna show you. Okay, patchy is not even a word. Like, it is patchy, but it's your first layer, and these walls were multiple colours. So, aye, that's what's happened there. But it's first layer, so can't go wrong. But I hope I've got a before somewhere. If you can tell, like, that is mental actually. All I've not done, because I'm absolutely knackered, and I will do it, but here's the doorway with paint. I haven't done that yet, so you can see kind of like the magnolia tinge. Oh, and we haven't done this because I need to sand that. I couldn't reach it because I'm small. But yeah, we haven't done this bit, and I think you can kind of tell. But we've done every other bit. I've done all of up here. So look, the skirtings are the same colour, and it's mental. So again, I've done here. I know filler needed. I know, okay. But I just wanted to get like a layer of paint on. So yeah, done. I am so chuffed. I'm so pleased. I've done that all myself, except Tall Tom helped me with like the upper paint line. Do you see, like here? Because I could not do that. But I've done this all myself, and it's taken a lot of work, but I'm really happy. So plan is tonight we're gonna try and get a second layer on together if we can. I think that would be really beneficial if we could. I'm so happy, and it just makes me really want to like get on with other rooms basically, because I want to wallpaper strip here. Do you see this texture is just not my cup of tea, so I do want to strip that. But yeah, I thought someone was at the door. I think I'm gonna like leave the camera for tonight. The difference on a camera between layer 1 and layer 2 I don't think is going to show up, especially because it's like dark now and this is awful lighting anyway. So I think I'm just gonna show you it tomorrow in the daylight. Bear in mind this is quite a dark hallway anyway, but hopefully you can tell a massive difference. So I'm going to say goodnight for tonight, and I will show you it in the morning. Nighty night. Hello everyone. Okay, I think you can quite clearly see, well you can't see actually, but it's not the next day, spoiler alert. It's about to, oh this is a spoiler, hang on, out we go. It's literally probably like 2 months later. No one is a stranger to the fact that a lot has happened in this 2 months. So obviously I've had a little delay on videos. I just haven't seemed to have, been churning them out. Not really been in the mood. No, I'm joking. But I'm trying to get back to it. Sadly, I didn't film any of the rest of the painting process. To be honest, where am I walking? To be honest, you've not missed much. It was a lot of this action. Right. You know the action I mean. I'll reenact for you. A lot of this. Just a lot of this, really. We applied 2 more coats. I want to even possibly say 3. You're well aware that it is a dark hallway. We're wanting to change that. So I'm trying to show you the best I can. I've got the front door open, I've got the bathroom open. Tom's hibernating playing FIFA. Any other girlfriends just sympathise. But yeah, this is pretty much the best I can show you. I'm going to try show you the best I can. I've got some befores and here are your afters. Ooh, hello, interesting lighting. I was just editing this and I thought I would just quickly pop in. Of course, this is not like the finished product. With what's going on in the world, obviously we've been like put in a bit of a standstill in terms of ordering things such as new light switches, skirting board paint. Obviously we don't really want to paint the door frames because we're wanting to get new door frames. All we've done is the walls because that is some of the equipment that's been like readily available to us and that we've had since before lockdown. So obviously that's kind of all we've been able to do. This is a process, this isn't the finished product. I just wanted to put that out there, that this isn't like the official after. It's the what it's like now. So yeah. Enjoy. So a wee little talk through, same prints, we've got one addition, we've got an office tribute. He's not living there, but I like him there for the minute. We still need to paint this because I just can't reach that. So if we head up here, we currently have shoe rack. It's very devastating. I bought this from my home. Tom's feet are about 4 million times bigger than mine, so he takes up the majority of this. But yeah, this is our shoe rack. I think I'd really like to have like a console table, possibly like over it, if that's a possibility. So a little surf, or even just a shelf. I'm thinking a mirror here of some sort, maybe like a mirror and a print or something like that. I think it really needs something. I need to like cover this with a hanging plant or something because it does my head in. So yeah, that's that. But honestly, I can't tell you. This wall is my pride and joy. Like, I wish you could sort of tell. If I put a light on, I don't know if that's better. Is that better? Let's do it with the light on from now on. Yeah. It's so flat. I'm gonna pat myself on the back, like that is some good ass filling that I did on this bad boy. There's not much else to it, it's very small. But as I say, now that the white's on, we just can't wait to change up the door frames. I think I've spoken in another video, we want like wooden door frames, hopefully with some transom windows to bring in some light, so that's really exciting. Yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Yeah, apart from that, I feel like the walls are looking really, really good. The single thing that I just cannot wait for is to get rid of this carpet. I just want rid of the carpet. I think the dark green, it really darkens the space. Like, that doesn't help with the light issue either. So yeah, just... Oh, and we have very creaky floorboards underneath, if you can hear that. That is not my bottom. For the hallway, that is the painting done, I think, for now. We're really happy with the result and we don't want to look at any more paint for a long time. But what you're gonna learn in the next video is that we've been looking at paint for 2 months because we've been doing the living room. I'm not gonna show you, but I'm standing in it and it's looking so much better. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. The wallpaper that used to be on here was something else, and honestly, we have done a job. And we're still in the job, sadly. There was a lot of issues, a lot of hurdles, a lot of obstacles, but we're nearly at the finish line and it is so exciting. So make sure to subscribe. Don't subscribe, so that you can see that journey, because that will be coming very soon. Just super quick, during that 2 months, my camera broke. A lot's happened, so that's why I'm on the iPhone. Lovely. Fridge, what are you doing? Anyway, I'm gonna stop now, but hallway is done. So I think that's enough from me. I hope you're all staying safe, staying well. I'm sending love to all of you. Weird time, scary time. So just everyone, love and hugs. Even though I can't give anyone a hug right now and it's killing me. Metaphorical hugs all around. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new here and I will see you in my next video. Bye.